I'm so excited. Who else is excited? Who else is excited as I am? Yes, in today's video, I am sharing with you ideas for how to host your own The Mandalorian watch party via virtual. If we're meeting for the first time, hi, my name is Shawn. Yes, I really am this hyper most of my life. I am passionate about bringing back family fun, and it doesn't get more family fun than Disney and The Mandalorian. Let's get ready and plan a watch party together. Every good party needs invitations. You need to invite your friends and your family to the watch party. I love going to Canva because they have a lot of free templates, and you'll need to change some graphics around. You can use your own graphics of The Mandalorian, Star Wars, and pop them into a pre-made Canva template, and then just email out your template. Make sure to include the Zoom link in your template. Make sure whether or not you want your guests to dress a certain way or to come prepared with some decorations in their background, which we're going to talk about in just a minute. Watch party attire. Everybody needs to come with a Star Wars themed shirt on. You know, I cannot find my Star Wars themed shirt. I almost stole one from my son. I used to have two Baby Yoda, the child. I know it's not Yoda. I know you guys. I know you diehard fans. Baby Yoda, the child are not the same. It's cute to call him Baby Yoda, okay? It's like a fond nickname that you would call your child or your fur baby. Decorations. No party's complete without decorations. And yes, you can still decorate while enjoying your watch party virtually. You could decorate your background in whatever Star Wars decor you have. My husband and my son have a lot of Star Wars stuff. I could switch out my shelves and put in the decor. Or an easier route would be to change your virtual background if you are on Zoom. Just go ahead and switch out an image that relates to The Mandalorian and have a lot of fun with that. Food and drink is essential to every party. I have a video that I did last year when season 1 came out, where my family and we did an in-person at-home Mandalorian Baby Yoda party. I showed you all of the easy snack items that I put together, such as burgers. We had Yawa cookies, Yoda soda, the child snacks, which was basically a veggie hot dog wrapped with a croissant. So if you need some simple snack ideas, then go watch that video. Or I have also set up a Pinterest board because I found a few fancier items, but you could either drop off some snacks at your friend's house for the virtual party or just ask them to bring their own. Now, you know I'm going to talk about games because party games is my theme on this channel. I love party games. So yes, I have some Mandalorian themed party games for you. If you're meeting in person, again, I will refer you to the other video that I did last year. I'll link it in the description box down below, or it might be in a card up here of ideas that are around the Baby Yoda theme. They're all Yoda or the child themed games and activities that are family and kid friendly. So that might be the route that you want to go with some ideas there. But here are some new game ideas that can be played virtually. So I suggest either playing games before you load up to watch, or wait until after the first season is done and play the games after that first episode or the first season if you're doing a marathon. The first game idea is to play some Mandalorian season 1 trivia. So this would be great to include before you start watching the second season, just to kind of refresh everybody on what happened in season 1. Now, I don't have this game pre-made for you, I'm sorry, but I want to recommend going to Trivia Maker, where you can create your own trivia game. You can enter in your own trivia questions and play it kind of either a Jeopardy style, Wheel of Fortune, or just basic trivia. I have done a previously sponsored video with them, but this video is not sponsored by them. I just really love Trivia Maker. You guys know I feel like I talk about them a lot. Game number 2 is called Create the Child. Every player will need their own little canister of Play-Doh, green, brown, preferred, but any color of Play-Doh will do. Set a timer for 1 minute and see who can create the best child that they can out of Play-Doh in 1 minute. This is great if you are playing with kids of all ages. The third game I have for you is called Draw It. Yes, for those of you who are familiar with my channel, you know I love this game. Every player has a paper plate and a writing utensil, and you ask all the players to put the paper plate on top of their head and draw a shape on the paper plate. I would suggest maybe you could draw the Mandalorian tattoo symbol, you could draw the best child, or the best blurg. Set a timer and everybody has 1 minute to draw the Mandalorian tattoo symbol on their head. Everybody shows their paper plate and whoever has the best drawn tattoo symbol wins the game. The last game idea I have for you is called This Is the Way. We all recognize that phrase. That is the Mandalorian strict code. This is the way frequently is said throughout the episodes, and we all know that the Mandalorian breaks that code. Ask your players to complete a list of 3 tasks. Whoever completes these 3 tasks the fastest wins the game. Now these tasks are easy, so don't tell your players ahead of time what objects they're going to need. You want them to run and find the objects that they will need to complete the 3 tasks on camera. All right, so the first task is balance a spoon on your finger. The second task is to that's weird. The second task is to push an object with your nose. And the third task is to spin a quarter. Now I've made these tasks just vague enough so that people can use whatever objects are around them, and also to allow for some creativity in accomplishing the task. Like I said, whoever completes these 3 tasks the fastest wins the game. Let me know in the comment section down below. Will you be watching season 2 on October 30th when it releases? I know I will. I will see you all in my next video of virtual hugs. Bye! The Mandalorian is coming out. Released on Disney Plus streaming.